Sung Yingsha advances to the final. Mima Ito lost to Sung Yingsha 0-4. But why? I didn't expect that Mima Ito lost so badly. Here is the reason. We will analyze why Mima Ito lost so badly in this semi-final table tennis Tokyo Olympics. Chen Meng also advanced to the final, so the final is a Chinese versus Chinese. This morning, Chinese team Chen Meng eliminated Singapore team Yu Mengyu, and Sung Yingsha will compete with teammate Chen Meng in the final at 20 hours tonight. The Chinese team will lock the gold and silver medal in advance.
其实我觉得今天整个发挥吧，其实我觉得确实，比自己想象。
Sung Yingsha said in the interview, "After the game, it is better than expected. Mima Ito is in a good state. First of all, I adjust my mentality better and put myself down to fight. She has a relatively fast pace of play. I communicated with Chairman Liu Guoliang last night. I will go all out for how much she lets. Today, more of them are in the first 3 sets. My serve is better than expected, and the serve is more reliable."
肯定有赢回来的机会，事儿上也没有什么包袱了。我觉得还是豁出去大胆拼了吧。
好，谢谢孙颖莎。
First of all, thank you very much for your support. I understand that I need to improve more my English. I will try my best. For who doesn't know me, I'm EmRatThich, Vietnamese. Now I am a table tennis coach in a small club in France. I can speak Vietnamese, English, French, and a little bit of Chinese. I use English on my YouTube because I want to communicate with everyone in the world. Sung Yingsha has beaten Mima Ito 4-0. Mima Ito dominated everyone 4-0. But not the Chinese player. The final is between Chinese players. Mima Ito will play for the bronze medal match. Sung Yingsha has beaten Mima Ito of Japan 4-0, 11-3, 11-9, 11-6, and 11-4. In their semi-final clash, the Chinese player Mima Ito has won 6 of the last 8 meetings against Mima Ito. Sung Yingsha, a 20 years old who is just 14 days younger than Ito, took control of the match early by winning the first game 11-3. She stormed to a 5-0 lead in the second game before Ito fought back to 9-9. In this game, Sung Yingsha played very well. She is one of the most physically demanding female players. She attacks quickly by using her forehand. In this game, I can feel that Mima Ito is so tense. She can't win many points with her backhand punch. It is due to the service return of Sung Yingsha is very good. In this final game, Sung Yingsha didn't have any problem with the serve of Mima Ito. Mima Ito is blocked. She is not as aggressive as usual. Many players has voted for Mima Ito. 58% for Mima Ito and 42% for Sung Yingsha. It is very hard to predict. Based on the head-to-head score, Sung Yingsha has won 5 times. Mima Ito has won 2 times. But Mima Ito never lost 0-4. The score is very close, like 4-2, 4-3, but never 4-0. The turning point. When talking about the situation of Sung Yingsha falling behind 3-9 in the second game and chasing 8 points in a row. Coach Lee Sun explained the 3-9 lag was mainly caused by herself. At the beginning, she had a problem. It was the same as in the past. She played too carefully and luck appeared again, so she was behind. In terms of technique and tactics, especially in the process of receiving and serving, her ability to use force and continuous offense. This time, she suddenly thought of using her forehand to catch her long ball. In fact, we didn't prepare this beforehand. We just reminded her, but this time the application is very good. One week ago, I said that it could be bad news for Japan that Mima Ito is in the same branch of Sung Yingsha. The Chinese coach is right, and I am right. Sung Yingsha is selected because of her ability to play against Mima Ito. Her winning score against Mima Ito is high. Liu Shiwen is not as good when she plays against Mima Ito.
其实，整个比赛其实比分吧，我觉得其实还是，我觉得转折点肯定在于第二局。其实自己赛前没有想到会。
Sung Yingsha said the turning point came in the second game, as it could go either way. I fought for every point and did not give up as I wanted to extend my advantage after winning the first game. Mima has already won the mixed double gold medal and she is a good player. I knew it was not going to be an easy match and just told myself to play my own game and be focused.
尤其是在接发球环节上，我觉得就是要比自己想象中好一些。我觉得上来肯定会有一些紧张，或者说接发球会有一点就是不清楚吧。但我觉得今天一上来，首先这点以后一直到最后，其实一直都坚信没错。
The head coach of Chinese women table tennis said after Sung Yingsha had closed the match for Mima Ito. This game is a battle in the bones, winning in 5 years of meticulous preparation and practice this game every day. The national table tennis coaches behind the medal have worked hard. I always think Ito is a good player. She is just few days older than me. Both of us can stimulate each other's fighting spirit on the court. Playing with her is very enjoyable and fun. We fight on the field for at least 10 years. Great opponents make great athletes. When asked why Sung Yingsha defeated Ito Mima, Coach Lee Sun said, I think it is our 5 years of careful preparation. I think that we train every day. We are actually thinking about this game. Regarding the overall performance of the semi-finals, Lee Sun commented, in fact, the two of them are very familiar with each other and play the number of times. Maybe they play more than the people in the team. In fact, the two of them know very well. The key, especially in the Olympics, is the real kind of rivalry between people, these fights. In fact, the contest between the two of them today, from the beginning of serving and receiving to the final stalemate, is fully manifested. So I think that Sung Yingsha won today mainly in mental strength. Mima Ito had wet eyes when interviewed after the game, and she was disappointed with the result. I think it was a big blow to fail to win the second game. The reason for losing was that I couldn't recover from it. I think I didn't play badly, but the result was really disappointing. The score was 0-4. I was very disappointed. I want to advance. My strength is not that bad. I need to change my mind now and prepare for the next game. The main reason I can see that Yingsha has played her game without any tension. After several consecutive mistakes at the second set, she adjusted very quickly, slowed down and played according to her own skill and tactics. After winning this set with her own strength, the next 3 or 4 sets went smoothly. In this game, Mima Ito's mindset is not very clear. She is still stuck in the turning point moment.